Hello everyone, welcome back to Top Lingo. Today we are learning 50 opposite words in English, also called antonyms. This lesson will help you speak with more vocabulary and confidence. Let's start. Common opposites: big, small, tall, short, hot, cold, fast, slow, early, late, new, old, open, closed, right, wrong, easy, difficult, beautiful, ugly. Example sentences: the bag is big, but the phone is small. Today is hot, but yesterday it was cold. Part 2. Everyday opposites: happy, sad, clean, dirty, young, old, long, short, rich, poor, loud, quiet, light, dark, high, low, strong, weak, near, far. Examples: she is happy, but he is sad today. Part 3. Useful adjective opposites: hungry, full, wet, dry, thick, thin, cheap, expensive, safe, dangerous, simple, complicated, warm, cool, early, late, soft, hard, heavy, light. Part 4. Verbs: start, stop, give, take, push, pull, stand, sit, come, go, open, close, win, lose, remember, forget, love, hate, live, die. Part 5. More opposites: buy, sell, arrive, leave, laugh, cry, teach, learn, begin, finish, right, left, strong, weak, full, empty, true, false, up, down. Quick practice. Repeat these pairs after me: big, small, hot, cold, rich, poor, remember, forget, buy, sell. Great job. Really great job. Thanks for watching Top Lingo. If you want more videos with opposite words, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.